Peace, y'all. Peace, y'all. It's the freedom culture. Um, yeah. So I hope everybody's having a great day. You know, the weather's been crazy, and summer's afoot. So there's brighter days ahead. Speaking of the weather's been crazy, this crypto market, the market in general, has been wild. I'm having a better morning so far. Been working like crazy. Because everything's crazy. I'm in the process of moving, buying a condo, doing doing my first mortgage. So yeah, I'm just rolling with the tides, man. Like when things get aggressive, you gotta get aggressive too. Tough times don't last. Tough people do. So that all being said, yeah, the market's been crazy. Last night, I couldn't put my phone down because it was like epic events happening right before we speak. I mean, right before I was able to even think, like prices was going down. It was giving me anxiety. I was like, yo, am I losing money? Which I was, or should I sell? I was dealing with that. But honestly, that feeling wasn't real because I knew that I have confidence in the crypto market industry. It's innovation and it's global. So the reason why all of this happened, this huge decline, is because of capital gains tax. As we know, I'm sure you might have heard that Joe Biden, he actually has a proposal. Um, uh, Joe, Broadway Joe. Hold on one second. He actually has proposed capital gains tax 39% to fund education and childcare, reports say, which is nice, but it's not nice to the money makers out here, the huge whales out here. Um, oh, one second. Yeah, that was my boy Nate that was calling. I'm gonna have him on this channel a few times. I had to tell him I'll hit him back. He was supposed to. That's him not responding to my phone call. Now, you know, he's calling me and I'm busy, and he's gonna be bitching about like I don't be answering my phone, but he don't be answering his phone. Whatever. I'm gonna hit you back, Nate. Um, so yeah, so capital gains that Joe Biden proposed, which is not confirmed yet. It's gonna have to go through some processing or whatever, but you know how sensitive the market could be. What are capital gains? Capital gains tax is a tax on growth and value of an investment incurred when individuals and corporations sell those investments. When the assets are sold, the capital gains are referred to as being realized. Realized. The tax doesn't apply to unsold investment or unrealized capital gains. So stock shares that appreciate every year will not incur capital gains taxes until they're sold. That's when it's realized. No matter how long you happen to hold them. So that affects whales like the day traders. Oh my god, my battery's about to die. I'm trying to get this video out, man. That affects whales like day traders, those cashing out on the coins that's been mooning lately. To me, uh, I feel like that impacts Dodge. Like it says, day traders and others take advantage of greater ease of trading online need to be aware that any profits they make from buying and selling assets held less than a year are not just taxed. They're taxed at a higher rate right now. So you could imagine the fear of those people, those big bag holders that was just pumping the market. So that to me, that's what caused the huge dip. Um, for example, like Dogecoin, that's been the popular thing that's been popping off. To me, I like to compare Dogecoin to the rapper 6ix9ine. Just popping shit. You know what I'm saying? Making it hot. He's doing some radical stuff, some crazy stuff. That was making money. You see him all over the tabloid, just popping shit. You're just wondering, like, how far could he go? Then next thing you know, boom, Feds watching. So, hold on one second. Yeah, pardon me. I was interrupted again. Um, but yeah, Dogecoin making the spot hot. I'm making money. I'm just a doggy. Supposed to be funny. you know, and then boom, you know, Feds watching. So they're heavy gonna be regulating all of this stuff. To me, this is just the beginning, which is why I'm bearish on anything like Dogecoin. At one point, I believe the other day, although I was so bearish, I was like, fuck it, it does make money. Let me just see if I can make a quick buck. And I made a quick buck, but I pulled out so fast because I just don't have the nerve. I don't have the nerve for that coin. I got a lot of other things going on. I cannot like constantly be watching the market. Um, so with this capital tax gain, it's going to cause people to become more clever with their with taking profits or holding on to assets for a longer and cheaper capital gains rates. Which it says here, the U.S. capital gains tax only applies to profits from sale of assets held for more than a year, referred to as long capital gains. The rates are 0 to 15 to 20%, depending on your tax bracket. Short-term capital gains tax applies to assets held for a year or less, taxed as ordinary income. So, you know, basically it's going to encourage people to hold on to assets longer to avoid those high ass tax rates, which is like, yo, what you making all this money for, and you gotta give up like 37% of it. People ain't gonna like that, and we're not sure if this tax is being used in the right places. I have my own opinions on that, but yeah, but like I said, this is going to cause people to do clever things to avoid taxes. I was in the wrong window, but as per Forbes, um, short-term capital gains occur when you sell a coin after it. Did I even read this article yet? Biden is proposing, as per Forbes, Biden is proposing to increase high long-term capital gains tax rate from 20% to 39% for those who made over $1 million income. This tax hike would negatively impact crypto whales who are sitting on large amounts of unrealized gains. So imagine those people that got those coins that, let's say Dogecoin, and they're just sitting on it and thinking that I'm gonna be a trillionaire one of these days. I'm literally going to be able to hop outside and step in my spaceship and fly to the moon whenever I want. Nah, you know what I'm saying? Because that's gonna be regulated. Um, how you doing today? How would you be able to cash out to get that spaceship that you want? you know, because once you cash out, you're gonna have to deal with these large tax rates. Now, how are capital gains taxed currently? I don't need to read all that. Short-term gains occur when you sell a coin after holding it for less than 12 months. These gains are taxed as more income, and marginal tax rates from 10% to 37%. So short-term gains, you want to flip and make a quick profit. You know what I'm saying? You just the coin mooned overnight, and you want to cash out real quick. Nah, you don't want to do that. You're just gonna be paying some very high tax rates. So with that concern, it affect the market. It affect the stock market. It affect the crypto market. The whales selling off, causing weak hands that get nervous. They're like, oh my God, I see something going down. Let me sell off. So the block is hot. Inevitably, they're going to focus on inevitably what's going to be regulated is the coins that doesn't make any sense, that doesn't have any team behind it, that doesn't have any type of utility to the future that we're planning to go to. The different programs, the different technology, and all these things is going to need a coin that actually does something, that's actually backed by some type of utility behind it. So, with that being said, you know, you would want to hold on to coins that's going to have value even in the long term. Yeah, so this proposal that President Biden made that I don't believe is confirmed yet caused people to sell off, the high rollers and the weak hands to just sell off, and it caused that dip, which made the price very low. People was nervous. My homeboy, who's also a weak hand. He's a little shivery in the hands when it comes to these assets. My boy, he told me he thinks it's going all the way down, like the whole market to vapor, which is like ridiculous. I mean, I'm not gonna front like myself. I was nervous because I don't like losing money. But then I became more logical. We're not going back to prehistoric times. We're not going back to, uh, come on, the history of money. We're not going back to the coin, gold cows and shells and even dollars. We're not, you know, a definition is something of value, but over the last 10,000 years, the material form that money has taken has changed considerably from cattle's, cowrie, shells to today electric currency. Here, you got an overview of history of money. I'm not gonna go through the history of money, but we're not gonna go back to those days. We're not gonna go back to starting to sell shells or copies of shells that was used in the Chinese currency. The classical Chinese character money currency originated as a pictograph of curry shell, curry shell. We're not gonna go back to those days, man. We're gonna go back to this is the fourth industrial revolution. We're gonna go back to we're going forward. We're going towards the future. The dollar's going down. Kind of everybody knows that the U.S. dollar kind of sucks right now. U.S. dollar's going down. Inflation is going up. You know, don't overplay the dollar's decline. U.S. dollar is falling for the right reasons. I don't understand what does that mean, but we are in the times of destructive innovation. Destructive innovation. Everything is innovative right now. Um, like I said, the fourth industrial revolution. Through history, we had the Great Depression, we had the Great Recession, and now it's the Great Reset. You know, the Great Reset's goal is to change society, making it more united, more environmental friendly. Biden is also big on green, on going green. The reset will try to transfer the current financial system into a fully digital form. While governments want to issue central bank digital currencies to give them more control over finances, there's still people who want to liberate finances. They want to control this crypto space. So, sorry, like I said, I'm at work, keep on getting interrupted. So, yeah, they want to control this crypto space. I mean, it's happening before our eyes. Like every day, there's some news about something integrating with digital currency. China is betting big on digital currency, what it means for Alibaba and Tencent. I don't know what that is, but China's crypto miners are jittery over unstable regulations. China leads the world with new state-backed digital currency. How China's digital yuan could reshape geopolitics, change the world. It's constant shit. You know, you heard about Venmo getting more people into digital currency. Everybody's getting into digital currency. The banks is getting into digital currency. Central banks, digital currencies explain. Norway is testing central bank digital currency after years of research. Wall Street banks brace for digital dollars as the next disruptive force. So that idea of the crypto market crashing, you kind of gotta miss me on that. Like I don't think so. It really seems unlikely. However, it's a long game. You know, it's a long game. I'd say a good 10-year investment. Hold on to something for what if you was to hold on to something now, 2020, by 2030, you would 10x your, I mean, not even 10, that's a stupid number, 1,000x your investment, and that's being modest. We're not going back to using, hold on one second.
Call it 8 minutes, so if we can at least start the conversation.
So we're not going back to using shells as currency, and even the American dollar is frizzling out. I mean, right before our eyes. A lot of these projects, these new innovative ideas, it's all in the digital space. I actually want to play this one video for you guys, so you could get some more perspective on the future.
2020 is a year that has really changed the world. It is thanks to technology that we are able to join the cyber polygon entirely remotely.
This training is another step in creating a trusted digital environment and fostering open dialogue to discuss even the most challenging cybersecurity issues.
Nobody can fight these phenomena, which are only going to increase in the next couple of years in this dynamic technological environment.
As this world grows in force, and this happens throughout the world, it's just a statement of the obvious. You need to protect people properly.
Yeah, so all that seems like some pretty high tech stuff. Like, They're not playing around. They are prepared for what the future beholds, and they'll need blockchain. Blockchain will be around, and it will increase in value. Like it says here, does digital currency use blockchain? Cryptocurrencies can allow electric money systems to be decentralized. When implemented with blockchain, the digital ledger system or record-keeping system uses cryptography to edit separate shards of database entries that are distributed across many separate servers. Seems like the tool that would be needed. Um, well, polymath is I mean, I'm not polymath. Well, was cyber polygon to focus on secure development of digital ecosystems. So, with all that being said, that anxiety that I had last night with the market crashing, and that little thought that I might have had that, the market would just vanish and all my money would just disappear in thin air. I actually became more excited and was like buying up. Like I was buying. Man, I was buying. Like I broke the bank. I'm talking a few bills might not get paid because I want to get rich, and then just send an IOU and a few because I'll be rich in a little bit. So nah. So yeah, here's the coins that I feel is going to last. These are the coins that I was like buying up, and I really wish that I had more money to to keep pouring in because it's only logic. All of these coins here have utility, have a sense of purpose, and has a place in the upcoming future. What I do, what I rather do is I rather hold these coins with this news being said about, you know, holding on to, about the attack on cryptocurrency and with this capital gain stuff. If I'm gonna be a long holder, I want to be a long holder on something that I could get the most profits out of. That would be the most uh, profitable. And what I mean by profitable, I mean investing in these assets for the long hold because I feel it has the most utility, the most usefulness for this future abroad. Here I use the Exodus wallet for this. I'm sure you can use other wallets, but this is the wallet that's most accessible for me. I store and hold the assets here. If you have any better choice or any type of feedback at all on Exodus wallet, please let me know. I'll definitely appreciate it if you know of any other better wallets for holding cryptos. I know a ledger is ultimately the safest bet in which I'm investing into. I'm looking to get like ASAP. But these assets offer these coins that I'm holding on to offers a APY. Now APY on Exodus stands for annual percentage yield and is the projected rate of an annual return after taking compounding interest into account, etc. As you can see, each month you're paid interest on the interest you accrued in the previous month. This is what's up, man? This is 1.005% value is the APY for this example. So I'm pretty much holding on to coins that's accruing interest in the long run. So that, I'm holding on to it. I'm not so I could it's kind of like a way to escape this high tax rate that they might hit us with. So first, like I said, I'm doing the blockchain. Now let's go into ADA. I'm doing ADA. What is ADA. Cardano, cryptocurrency platform. Cardano is a public blockchain platform that aims to run smart contracts. It is open source and decentralized with consensus achieved using proof of stake. It can facilitate peer-to-peer transactions with its internal cryptocurrency. The owner of Cardano is actually the co-founder of Ethereum, which I don't fool with at all. I don't really touch Ethereum. I'm still trying to understand why is Ethereum so. It's like this elephant in the room. Like, it's expensive, it's slow, but people are still on go with that coin. All right, brother. Peace. I got you. I'm gonna send you the link. I'm gonna send it over. All right, brother. But yeah, I don't understand why is it so. I don't know, and that's my uneducated opinion. There's people, experts that's been in this longer than me, but Cardano is definitely a competitor with Ethereum. And the co-founder, the owner of Cardano is the co-founder of Ethereum, and it's faster, it's cheaper, all that. But yeah, that's Cardano. Now, I also do, what's next? VET. Now, that is a blockchain platform designed to enhance supply chain management and business processes. Its goal is to streamline the process and information flow for complex supply chains through the use of distributed ledger technology. So yeah, that has more of a business perspective on that. Damn it, I gotta hurry up with this video. I gotta go on break. But and that offers 1.35 APY. 88 offers a 4.21 APY. Now Neo, what is Neo? It's always important to check out what are you investing into. A lot of people don't even know what they're investing into. They just know it's going up, so they just, FOMO. They just like chase the crowd, which is retarded. But Neo is a open source blockchain decentralized application platform founded in 2014 by Da Hongfei and Eric Zhang. Excuse me if I pronounced the names wrong. Since it's rebranding to Neo, we don't need to know all that. The project's vision is to realize a smart economy by utilizing blockchain technology and smart contracts, issue and manage digital assets. Now we do. It is important to know the owners of these things, to look into their history and make sure they have the credibility to fulfill their promise. That's a part of doing research on assets before you investing into them. But next up is Soul. Yeah, so Soul. Soul is Soul is Solana is a native token of a blockchain backed by FTX. Sam Bankman-Fried logged record daily percentage gain on Sunday. What is Solana? I just want the company in itself. Solana is a web-scale blockchain that provides fast, secure, scalable, decentralized apps and marketplaces. So this would allow transactions through put to scale proportionally with network bandwidth, satisfying all properties of blockchain: scalability, security, and decentralization. Now, there's big news. I mean, I think Solana's been going up, but God damn, Atom, Atom, I've been really in wow about, because it seems like it really seems galactical. Atom is a coin from the company Cosmos. Cosmos is a dual layer network that enables token data and asset exchanges between blockchains. Each chain on the network operates independently. Cosmos Hub validates on-chain transactions and earn Atom through staking. Atom is a native cryptocurrency coin token of Cosmos network. Cosmos is like the internet of internet, so it's like the blockchain of blockchains. Like a lot of things is gonna be connected to Cosmos. So I would compare Cosmos to Dot, but I don't have Dot in my Polkadot in my joint because I haven't seen that APY option. But now Tezos is a blockchain network linked to digital token, which is called Tez or Tezzy. Yo, Tezzy. um, However, Tezos survived the cryptocurrency bear market in part because of its unique proof of stake mechanism. The price of Tez more than tripled between October 2019 and February 2020, reached record highs. Um, Realistic on Tesla's price prediction XTZ 2021 2025 cryptocurrency continues to gain more attention in time. However, if you think I'm trying to explain the fundamentals of this company. Ethereum has a couple of key advantages over Tezos. The first is decentralization. Ethereum is often considered the second most decentralized cryptocurrency, second to Bitcoin. I'm bearish on Ethereum, so I don't know, but that is one of them, and it offers a 5.48 APY. Atom offers a 9.88 APY. Sol offers a 10.46 APY. You know, and the average savings account does not offer these high rates and stuff like that. So my plan is just to hold on to these coins, buy and hold, buy and hold, buy and hold, and let it accrue interest and rewards. And, say if I do get enough to get that spaceship or whatever, I'm not going to have to deal with a high tax rate because I've been holding on to these assets for a good amount of time. But yeah, that's my take. I just wanted to spit that out to y'all. These are the coins that I'm holding on for the long term that I feel like is going to be around for the long term and would survive any crazy flash dives like yesterday and stuff. But I gotta hurry up and get out of here. I appreciate you guys listening. Hopefully, I sparked some ideas out there. And peace and blessings. Do your own research. Invest in the future. Invest in your future. Invest in the future so you can invest in yourself. All right. So peace and light, love. Take care. All that good stuff. Peace.